Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. Suppose that A1 is an arithmetic sequence with A1, A2 all the way till A100 is equal to 100 and A101, A102 and so on all the way till A200 is equal to 200. Then what is the value of A2 minus A1? Now in an arithmetic series, let's say the first term is given by A1, then we know that the next term A2 is actually equal to A1 plus D, where D is called as the common difference. So if we have to find the value of A2 minus A1, so A2 minus A1 will actually be equal to D or will be equal to the common difference of the series. Now let's see what we have, right? So we have A1 plus A2 all the way till A100 is equal to A100 and A101 plus 102 all the way till A200 is equal to 200. So if we look at this series, and if we try to find the value of A101 using the formula Tn, which is the nth term of an arithmetic series, is equal to the first term plus n minus 1, so 101 minus 1 multiplied by common difference. So this will be equal to A1 plus 100D. So A101 can be written as A1 plus 100D. Similarly, if we have to find the value of A102, we can actually write A102 in terms of A1 as A1 plus 101D, or we can also write this as A1 plus D plus 100D, or is equal to A2 plus 100D. Similarly, we can write A103 as A3 plus 100D and so on. So we'll have A of 200 is equal to A of 100 plus 100D. That means sum of all these terms from A101 to A200 can be written as A1 plus 100D plus A2 plus 100D and so on. And the last term can be written as A100 plus 100D. And since there are 100 terms, so this can be written as A1 plus A2 till A100 plus 100 multiplied by 100D is equal to 200, which is given to us over here. Now A1 plus A2 all the way till A100 is equal to 100. From here, plus 10,000 D is equal to 200. That means 10,000 D is equal to 200 minus 100, so 100, or D is equal to 0.01. So answer will be option number C. Now, if you want to master the concepts of sequence, do check out the theory video and the playlist provided in the description of this video, where I teach you both the theory concepts and also tell you how to solve the problems for sequence from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video.